Welcome back to DIY Willy. Today, it's a good day. We've got another set of LED light bulbs we're going to put in the Toyota Yaris. The Yaris was the second video I did on my channel where I put another set of LED bulbs in there, and one of them, well, is malfunctioning. It turns on and works when it wants to, and I took them out, put in regular incandescent bulbs, and I got another set of LED bulbs, and I'm going to put those in. So let's check out what we got. So a company, Auxito, reached out to me and asked if I wanted to test a pair of their LED bulbs, and it couldn't have been a better time. I needed another set. So they got some nice packaging here. So they advertise high brightness, easy to install, IP65 waterproof, and fast heat dissipation. Like I said, it's nice packaging. So the color temp is 6500K, and they have an operating life of 30,000 hours. The body material is aviation aluminum 6063. Now the operation life of 30,000 hours, that's the important one, because I must be at the operation life of the other set of bulbs I did about a year ago. So yeah, let's get the box open and check it out. Let's see, inside the box we've got this nifty card here. Thank you for your purchase. This is the Auxito user club. That's nice. Win monthly giveaways, give new products, free trials, you get exclusive deals and information. That's pretty cool. And we've got the product manual. Talks about installing the bulbs, taking care of them, a little more information about it. Let's check one of them out. Looking at the bulb, nice construction. I believe the technology has come a long way in the past year, because the other set of bulbs I had a big heat sink with fan on the back. It would make a lot of noise when you turn them on. You could actually hear the fan. These are a little more compact. Nice size, Auxito right there. And again, these are the 9003 bulbs. What do you say we get them installed, huh? They look pretty nice. Let's go. Alright, so here's the 2017 Toyota Yaris. And I did clean the headlight lenses for this video. They were looking kind of bad. They're a little bit dusty now because it rained and it left a lot of dirt and dust all over. But we're gonna get in here, change out the headlight bulbs, and it's a really easy process. If you haven't seen the other video, we'll show it again in this one. And let me get you set up so we can get a good view of what we're gonna do. Alright, so on the bulbs, all you want to do is unplug it. There's the back of the plug right there. I'm going to block the camera a little bit with my hand. There we go. Just unplug it like that. We've got a dust shield, or a yeah, we've got a dust shield here. We'll just pull that off, and then you'll see the light. Now on the bottom of the light, there's a little clip right here. Hopefully you can see that in the video. You just want to push it down and lift it over, and the bulb basically falls right out, as you can see. Now these are a halogen bulb, and you don't want to touch the glass part with your skin, you know, with your fingers. Best if you could wear gloves when you're handling it, because the oils on your skin will create hot spots and could cause the glass to fail or the bulb to burn out early. So on a halogen bulb, you never want to touch the glass part of the bulb. All right, let's take a look at those LEDs. So here we have the LED bulb, and when we took it out, we realized that these three prongs were in this orientation, so that'll help to put the bulb back in to line up. So you get these three tongs all lined up in the right spot. These wire connectors will be in this position. And again, we'll just stick it in there like so. That's installed. And we'll take the little retainer clip, push it over on that, and right in. Perfect. Look at that. Now we can put the dust cover back on, making sure to keep the connecting points clear. Look at that. Wow. And plug back in the wire harness. The passenger side is done. Okay, over here on the driver's side, it's a little bit more cramped. We've got the alarm speaker here, the siren, and the wiring's a little bit tighter on this side. So we'll just get it unplugged, same as before. Kind of pull it out of the way the best we can, and remove the dust cover, same as we did before. Now here, the tongue, or the retainer clip, is right here on the bottom. Push it over, let it up, and pull the bulb out. Again, we made note of the orientation of the 3 wire connectors. Getting the other LED bulb, making sure the retainer clip's out of the way, and install them. Okay, so with the bulb in place now, we can take the retainer clip, slide it down, and lock it in place, just like that. Now replace the dust cover on there. Make sure it's seated all the way. Take your clip or your harness plug and just plug it back in. Perfect. Look at that. Nicely done. That was the install of the LED headlights in our 2017 Toyota Yaris. Those bulbs were provided by Auxito, and they look like great bulbs. I like the color of the light, and thanks for coming, checking out the videos. Check out the Auxito website. I'll put a link in the description, and they have all types of different lights you can buy for whatever you may need. And always come back to DIY Willy. We do fun stuff like work on LED headlights on the Toyota Yaris, mini bikes, and Suzuki Samurais and Chevy Silverados, and of course Nissan Frontier. So thanks for stopping by, checking out the videos, and I'll see you next time.